Hi, Matt here with Uniweld products. Flame tools provide the most reliable and trusted method for connecting copper tubing. But sometimes those copper connections are in a tight space and can be a challenge to solder or braze with an open flame. Uniweld's FB12 Flame Barrier is the solution to protect the surrounding area from the intense heat of a torch. The flame barrier can withstand up to 3,200 degrees of direct heat. It can take the direct flame from a MAP Pro or propane hand torch, an acetylene torch, and the secondary flame of an oxyacetylene torch. But if you leave the oxyacetylene flame on too long, it will burn through it. The flame barrier is flexible and can be cut so that it will perfectly fit the workspace. Once cut, it can then slide over the tube, completely surrounding it and protecting any sensitive materials nearby. This allows you to focus all of your attention on brazing the connection properly, instead of worrying about causing damage to the surrounding area. When the job is done, the flame barrier can be folded and kept in a dry place for future use. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt with Uniweld. Quality tools that go to work with you.